beautiful monkey in my village,
Yeah.
in my house garden, in my kitchen garden. What a beautiful monkey, two monkeys. Another came. You see the Indian monkey. Indian
Eating.
monkeys
Bread.
are eating the lady's finger. You see, he's snatching. Most beautiful sceneries in my kitchen garden. You see, beautiful. The Indian black-faced monkey. You see, yes, my father gave something. Another game. You see, three monkeys are here. Beautiful. You can see the Indian black pigs in the village side, the countryside. You can see they are grazing in very happy mood. The shining black pigs. You see, the shining black pigs are here in the creek area. Dear viewers, you see the Indian village in the morning time. See, the cows are grazing. This is the sceneries.